Cheesecake Factory Cheesecake. Ingredients: crust, 1/4 cup finely chopped pecans, 1/4 cup finely chopped almonds, 1/4 cup finely chopped walnuts, 3/4 cup finely chopped vanilla wafer, 2 tablespoons melted butter. Filling: 1½ pounds cream cheese, 1 1/3 cups sugar, 5 large eggs, 16 ounces sour cream, 1/4 cup flour, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Directions: crust: mix all nuts and vanilla wafer crumbs with melted butter and press into a 9-inch buttered springform pan, trying to line the sides as much as possible about 1½ inch up the sides of the pan. Set aside. Cheesecake: all above ingredients should be at room temperature before you begin. Start by beating the cream cheese until light and fluffy. Keep the mixer on a low setting throughout the beating and mixing process. Add the sugar a little at a time and continue beating until creamy. Add 1 egg at a time and beat after each egg. When eggs have been mixed into the cream cheese, add flour, vanilla and lemon juice. Mix well. Add the sour cream last and beat well. Pour cream cheese into the spring pan. Place on the top rack in the middle of a 325 degrees preheated oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. When time is up, turn oven off, prop open oven door and leave in oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove from oven. Let cool enough before the cheesecake is put into the refrigerator for 24 hours.